everyone. Welcome to another installment of Tech Tip Tuesday. I am Elena Berger, and we are going to be talking about Edpuzzle and how to make videos into interactive lessons. Today we're going to be talking about Edpuzzle. The way that you can find Edpuzzle is by going to your Splendora Launchpad, clicking on the plus, and typing in Edpuzzle. This is the link that you're looking for. You're going to click on it and hit add. I've already added it to my dashboard, so I'm going to click on Edpuzzle. You're going to go through a series of regular questions such as creating a login, an email, typing in the school that you are a part of, and then adding in your credentials such as your grade level and the type of subject that you teach. Once all of that is done, you can also click on subjects. For example, I teach math, I hit save, and then you can also hit your grade level. I teach third, so I can hit save. And it's going to give me a variety of different videos that you can see here. And the purpose of Edpuzzle is to create an engaging lesson for your students by creating quizzes that happen during the video. This is very helpful for when you're trying to give a student a lesson while they're either at home, such as on Google Classroom, say they are out showing animals. This is a great way for them to still participate in school. What you're going to do is you click on the video you want, and then it shows you the questions that are given throughout the video. So there's a question to the right, it says video events. There's a question at 38 seconds, and then throughout the video, it gives you all of the different questions that go along. You can also add your own video by going to YouTube, clicking on the video that you want. I clicked a fractions video. You're going to copy the link, go back to Edpuzzle. You're going to put it in the search bar and hit search. It will find the video. And then what you do is you can do a voiceover. So if you pause the video, you can add in extra voiceovers in that. You can also create questions. There is a generate questions button, which is great. You don't have to go in, you don't have to worry about creating the questions yourself. However, if you would like to do that, you can create the questions yourself. So let's just show you the generate the questions. I want multiple choice, so I'm going to click on that. And then to the left, it gives you an array of questions that can go into this video. You can also add your own questions. I'll show you what that looks like. You're just going to type it in, and then here are your answer choices below. Once you're done, you're going to hit save, and then your question will be added. This is a great way to help your students be more engaged in their videos that you have been assigning. You can assign it through Google Classroom, or you can do it as a whole group in your classroom. That's how I use Edpuzzle. I think that it's a great way to help students stay engaged with what they're learning. I hope that this tech tip was useful to you learning about Edpuzzle. Whether you use it online or in your classroom, this is a great way to help keep students accountable. Meet us back here next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday. Bye.